There is, yes.
Repair shops across the GTA are swamped, and here's the small culprit that can turn into a big headache. You, like many people in the GTA, are dealing with a stone chip. When did this happen? How did it happen?
It happened 3 days ago on the 400 series highway.
And you know to come in so it doesn't get worse.
It spreads pretty quickly if you don't do something about it.
Just how busy have you guys been in the last few weeks?
We've watched the numbers pretty much double in our business, mostly with stone chips. The stories either start with, I was driving behind this big truck, or I was driving through this construction zone, and then I know where the story is going.
Construction playing a big role this season, with rocks and gravel flying off trucks, overpasses, and kicking up from the roads. Throw in change of season and temperature, and your windshield becomes an easy target. Where
Yes.
it hits you makes a big difference.
It does, yes. You don't want to be too close to the side.
Okay.
There is distances that we cannot fix due to the size of our machine.
What is the distance?
It's about 4 centimeters.
Stone chips are inevitable, but if you can,
We want to try to avoid being behind big trucks now. Being in the GTA, that's really hard for us to do.
and if you've already been hit, save your wallet and book a repair.
You want to get it done as quick as you can after you've been hit with the rock.
Because-
To avoid spreading and also avoiding the contaminants of the environment and moisture getting in. You do want to avoid using your defrost, so if you need heat or cool air, use your vents that come out straight from you.
Check with your insurance provider, as many will waive your deductible and cover the cost of your stone chip repair. Keep in mind, these stone chips and cracks can also be illegal if it is directly in the driver's eye line, or if an officer thinks that it might be compromising your windshield. You could be pulled over and your plates taken away from you right then and there. Melanie Ng, City News.